Hi guys, in this video we will see possible solution of error not ready, error code 21 on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of error message you will receive, the device is not ready. If you are also facing such type of error message on your system, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. And in device manager window, go to your universal serial bus controllers driver, USB driver which you are currently using. Update your USB drivers. If you don't find your USB driver, then update all driver. Right click on it and choose update driver. And how do you want to search? Choose search automatically for driver. Apply this process for all your USB controllers and USB devices and USB connector managers. Update all drivers one by one and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD in search field, and from the appeared result, command prompt Windows, open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. Click on it. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here in command prompt Windows, execute the command chkdsk your drive letter /f. You can replace C drive with your drive letter. Simply move the cursor from the arrow from the keyboard and choose your drive letter in place of C and press enter. It will scan your disk drive, and if error found, it will notify you. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open File Explorer in your system and go to the affected drive. Simply right click on it and choose Properties. And here go to the Tools from the top menu bar, and under Error Checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Click on Check. A new pop-up window will appear. Here you will find your drive notification and choose a scan drive if any error found. And after that, close the windows. And the next workaround is again go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any bad or corrupted files. Wait till 100% verification complete, and after that restart your system. Your problem